Today, we are going to simplify an expression that involves a derivative. Now, this expression is x times the square root of 1 plus f prime of x squared. Now, f of x equals x cubed all over 6 plus 1 all over 2 times x. Now the first thing we need to do is find the derivative of f of x. The derivative of f of x will be 1/2 x squared plus negative 1/2 times x raised to the negative 2 power. So after taking the derivative, we plugged it in the expression and we are going to rewrite it as 1/2 x squared minus 1 all over 2 times x squared, and squaring that entire thing. Next, what we're going to have to do is expand or square the expression, or binomial as you would say, and you will get 1/4 x to the 4th minus 1/4 x squared all over x squared minus 1/4 x squared over x squared plus 1 all over 4 times x raised to the 4th. Now, the 1/4 x squared all over x squared, that simply is 1/4 times 1, and so 1/4 plus 1/4 is 1/2, and we will reduce that and eventually add that to plus 1. From there, we'll get 1/2 plus 1 all over 4 times x to the 4th plus 1 all over 4 x to the 4th, everything under the numerator. And this is actually going to be a perfect square. It's going to be 1/2 times, or 1/2 x squared plus 1 all over 2 times x squared, and that is squared. And when we put that under the square root, it will actually cancel, which is very nice for us and helps us to simplify with our end goal, which is to simplify to the best of our ability. So once we've done that, we are going to get x times this expression of 1/2 x squared plus 1 all over 2 times x squared. From there, we could distribute the x, and afterwards, if we want, we could pull out a 1/2, but other than that, we've simplified the expression. The final answer I chose to use was 1/2 times x cubed plus 1 all over x.